Hello everyone, this is my professional portfolio. So we start out on the home page, which I have a picture of me and my about me. So my name is Anna Marcelino. I've been teaching for 3 years at Yes Prep Public Schools, and I'm currently pursuing my master's here at Houston Baptist University. At the top here, I have a couple of tabs. So my first one takes me to my sample unit plan. I kept my portfolio pretty simple. So if you click on this button, it will just open up my unit plan that we created here in the course. And I've actually used this unit plan already, which is really cool that I got to apply what we've been learning to my actual classroom. Then if you click here, it's a bunch of video artifacts. So I have my digital tool tutorial that I did over Nearpod, my Tease video, and then I even added a video from my other emerging technologies class. And I'm excited to keep adding to this tab as I think these videos can be really beneficial. Next, in my More tab, I have my presentation here that we did for Prezi, the collaborative presentation. And I'm going to add a couple more things from my other classes into this More tab as well. So I'm really excited to keep adding to my portfolio, and I want to add a couple more things to make it more personalized, but I'm really excited about how it turned out, and I'm glad I got to try out Weebly for the first time.